Okay, now we're going to talk about posts. So let's go to posts, all posts. Um, you can see some basic information here, categories, tags, date published, which determines the order that something is displayed on the website. Your SEO title and description are here, and keyword are also here. And when this is working right, you'll see a color dot here depending on how well it's optimized. So let's just go over the anatomy of a post real quick. So if you click edit, this is an existing post, so if you wanted to change it in any way, you can simply do that in here. Basic editing tools, of course. This, our header is a heading 3, which we determine right here. This right here is just a little code that makes the blog animate in. This particular theme has many different types of short code features that are built into it, and I'm not going to go over those now, but you can kind of play with them, or you can ask me what's going on. So the rest of the text is down here, and then we have a little divider at the bottom that kind of adds a little space under the bottom of the post. Scrolling down a little further, you have the SEO tool built in. And then you've got some options for the post itself down here. One you may use is hiding the main featured image on a particular post. And then some default settings, and then of course revisions if you want to revert back to a previous version. I'm going to scroll back to the top. And over on the right, here's where you can change it back to draft mode if you want, or make it a private page, or change the publication date right here by clicking edit. Or you can make a copy of it right here also, or move it to the trash. The default post that we're using is this image post right here. And if you duplicate them, it'll bring all the settings over. Categories. So you can choose your categories here by simply clicking on them. You can add a new category here if you wanted to really quickly. Same for tags. Tags are here. If I type in the start of a tag that's already there, it'll kind of pop up. You can accept it, or you can put new ones, or you can remove by clicking the X. The featured image is the image that shows in several areas. So I'm going to jump back to the live website. The featured image shows here. If you click on it, it enlarges. And then if you go to the actual post, it shows as the main image up here as the post, and it also shows in any thumbnails where that post is referred to. You can, we'll go over how to remove and add a picture momentarily. Sidebar options. Most of these settings you won't change, especially if you duplicate a post. So that is the anatomy of the post itself.